If you enjoy computers and are tech savvy, a computer business is an ideal business for you. This business can be done virtually from anywhere you want to live and work, as long as there is internet access. You set your own schedule and hours. The 5 easy-to-start computer home-based business ideas are: 1. Computer repair business. Computer repair specialists need to have a deep understanding of the mechanics and programming systems of computers in order to identify and fix problems. If you're working from home, you'll likely go to the client's home or office to work. 2. Desktop publishing business. If your computer skills include creativity, as well as an understanding of page layout and graphics, desktop publishing is a viable home business idea for you. You will perform tasks such as producing books, newsletters, magazines, brochures and internet content. 3. Tutor/trainer business. A home-based computer tutor teaches individuals or businesses how to best use their computer programs and the internet. Your clients can be diverse, from children to seniors, and everyone in between. Tutoring does require patience, especially since technology has its own set of terms that many don't know or understand. 4. Web designing. You can learn web designing and set up websites for clients both locally and internationally. You can specialize in a specific platform, such as WordPress. You can run a good business with website designing skills. 5. Internet marketing services. If you have good knowledge of internet marketing, then is a growing market which you can cater for, providing services related to SEO, PPC, website promotion and social networking. In this business your clients will be all around the world. So these are the 5 easy-to-start computer home-based business ideas. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various business-related topics such as money, investing, real estate and online businesses. Bye.